singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, every little thing gonna be alright, right. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is our message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Hey, singing don't worry about a thing, every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Yeah, 3 little birds each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, all our melodies pure and true, singing, this is our message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, baby don't you worry, every little thing, hey, gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Let me play it here. Singing don't worry, every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds each by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is our message to you. About a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't you worry about them things, every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah, them big things be okay too. Ha! Don't you worry about nothing. Hey, gonna be just fine. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Thank you. We're gonna take a short break, jamming all the way till 5 o'clock here at Schooner Wharf Bar, Key West's most quintessential bar. My name is Jeff Clark. That's Steve Craigo over there. You're having a great time. You're beautiful. Thanks for hanging out. Stay cool, y'all. We'll be right back. 2 more sets coming up in about 15 and 20 minutes. Be good to your waitresses and bartenders. Be good to yourself and someone else. Tony Baltimore said that.